My name is Sophie Mayonnaise because I was born a mayonnaise and I will always be a mayonnaise, and I like eating every single thing in the sea. That's why we're gonna make takoyaki. I really like this brush. This is mayonnaise is the raw material that I was born from and it's made out of from. This is the brush that I will be using to point things. This is Bonito Flakes. This is a crunchy tempura thingy. I don't actually know what it's called, but I know it's tempura, so yeah. This is called a green label bottle. Yes, green label thing which I think are seaweed, but the bottle says green label, so yeah. This is the octopus. We have killed the octopus and we have bought it from the supermarket, but we have indirectly killed the octopus. This is the Otafuku for the takoyaki. This is the Takoyaki Batter. Actually, takoyaki is more better than octopus. This is the oil and this is the spring onions, which are not that springy but still springy. And that is the thing we will be using to cook the takoyaki. Okay, so I'm going to wrap the oil on this plate.